This exercise is called elbow crunch. You're going to be on your knees. Your elbows are going to be on either the hand sliders or the knee sliders. I actually prefer the knee sliders for this. So elbows in the knee sliders in reverse direction. Your elbows fit nicely and your hands will clasp together. And then you're going to keep your back arched and straight, and you're going to push your elbows forward as far as you comfortably can go. You're pushing, 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 and as you go forward, you're going to be lowering your hips down to the ground and extending your elbow out as far as possible, and then coming back. So that's the elbow crunch. We're going to do a set of 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.